Hello everyone. Today we will be exploring the solid principles which help developers to create clean, manageable, and scalable code. But don't worry that I'm going to explain each principle through a Goa trip planning analogy that everyone can relate to. So, what is solid? Solid is a set of 5 design principles used in object-oriented programming to ensure that the code is easy to maintain, extend, and manage. Think of it like planning a successful trip to Goa. You need things to be organized, clear, and adaptable as plan changes. So S stand for single responsibility principle. Imagine if you give one person in your group task of booking flights, hotels, activity, food, and transport. That would be a disaster. They would miss something or get overlooked. So instead of Anisha handling travels, Rohit handle books, hotels, Divya plans the food, and the current take care of activities. Everyone has one clear responsibility, just like Solid, where each class or module or code has one job to do. Next one is open close principle. We plan for 3 days in Goa, but what if you want to add 4th day? Instead of changing everything, you simply add a new section to the plan. You extend the plan without modifying the original 3 days. In code, it means that you can add new features without modifying existing code, which keeps everything stable and functional. Now let's talk about Liskov substitution principle. Say Rohit is renting a car for the group, but Divya offers her personal car instead. So you don't need to rewrite your entire plan just because that one car for another. The plan still works. In code, this principle means that one class can be replaced by another subclass without breaking the system. Everything should still run smoothly. On the interface segregation principle, imagine you give Ayesha a checklist to book flights, buses, trains, and everything in between, even though she needs to book the flights. So that's too much. Instead of give her just a checklist for flights. In the code, this means that you do not overload classes with unnecessary methods. They should only have what they need. Finally, let's look at the dependency inversion principle. So instead of saying we will only book Taj Hotel, you say that we need a good hotel within 3,000 per night. So now you can switch between options Taj, Marriott, Airbnb without disrupting the whole plan. Basically. In the code, this means you depend on abstract requirement rather than concrete details, making your system flexible and adaptable. So in summary, solid is equal to smart planning. So to wrap up it all, just like planning successful trip to Goa, apply the solid principles to software developing story, clear responsibilities, flexibility, smooth changes, and easy maintenance. Each principle helps developers to build apps that are stable, scalable, and easy to manage. Next time you plan a trip, think of yourself as an architect of plan or maybe a software developer working in solid principles. Thank you.